The foundation of any good tarot deck is the structure. Yes, there are 22 major arcana, 14 minor arcana, and 16 core cards, but they need an order to the attributions. Aleister Crowley, A.E. Waite, and Foster Case all use the Golden Dawn attributions found in Liber 777 as the basis for their tarot designs. You do not have to slavishly follow Liber 777. All these illustrious authors made subtle changes to suit their own requirements. In this video, I compare the tables in Crowley's Book of Thoth with Liber 777. Crowley claimed to be the author of Liber 777, but even he improved and altered the attributions in the Book of Thoth. You can do the same thing with your tarot deck. The problem with Liber 777 is that the information on the tarot is scattered in different tables. The priority was not the tarot, so we have to make allowances. Column 14, General Attributions of the Tarot. In previous videos I demonstrated the importance of the key scale that appears in the left-hand column. Column 180 to 181, Titles and Designs of Trumps. Here we have the titles and designs of the major arcana. Each asterisk indicates a note towards the back of the book for more information. Column 120, the Sephiroth. This column is not directly applicable, as there are 40 minor arcana associated with the Sephiroth, but it is useful. Columns 175 to 179, the major arcana. Next to these columns we see Crowley's version with columns transposed, but the information is all there. Columns 15 to 18, the colour scales. Colour scales give us the appropriate colours for each tarot card. The columns relate to the Yod-He-Vav-He order on the levels of creation. The King scale is Yod, fire. The Queen scale is He, water. The Emperor scale is Vav, air. And the Empress scale is He, final, earth. Some cards take colours from more than one column. Colour scales are complex, and the method for deriving them depends on clairvoyance and a deep understanding of the levels of the Tree of Life. The problem is that until recently, the technology for standardizing colours, such as hexadecimal and Pantone, did not exist. For the Rider-Waite and Book of Thoth decks, the artist would have made an educated guess using the materials available. Even today, it is very difficult to get accurate colour printing. In the Book of Thoth, the titles of the scales are slightly different. Knight for King, Queen for Queen, Prince for Emperor, and Princess for Empress. Columns 133 to 136, the minor arcana. The names in square brackets become the titles in the Book of Thoth. Columns 71 to 74, the court cards. The Golden Dawn give more information than is found in the Book of Thoth, including the aces and the key scale. The princes and kings in the Golden Dawn table have been transposed in the Book of Thoth. Many other tables relate to the tower in 777, but for this video I focused on those that inform design choices.